Yeah, JK, keep it going. Let's get it. Raindrops. Listen. Yeah. Standing outside under the raindrops, letting out all this pain that I'm holding with me. And now I'm starting to get tired of all the shit that I done been through. And when I'm outside under the raindrops, 'cause that's the only way that I ever feel better, when I'm out in the rain. But at the same time, I still don't feel good about what I'm going through in this planet. But it's okay, 'cause I'ma get through it like I always do, with no hesitation. But I'ma continue standing outside with all of these raindrops that's coming down right now. And I'm loving the way that this really feels, 'cause it feels real good when I'm out in the rain all by myself, without anybody. And that's the way that I really like it, being all alone, with no damn worries from anything or anybody. So I'ma continue in these raindrops, and 'cause I'm liking the feeling that I'm getting, and I'm starting to feel less broken. And I don't wanna feel broken anymore, 'cause it's gonna come towards a point that I don't wanna feel any type of emotion. Standing outside under the raindrops, letting out all this pain that I'm holding with me. And I gotta go. Raindrops, peace. Yeah, raindrops. Raindrops.